Hello, Woodsman. James here with Gone Home Woodsman. Hey, today I thought I would share with you an item that I carry on me every day as part of my EDC. Originally, I was just going to talk about that item, but there's actually a couple of factors to this I thought I would talk about. And so I was going to start off. It's a lighter, it's a Zippo, but it's a modified Zippo. It's not actually even a Zippo, really, it's just the case. But what I want to talk about is what I carry them in. And then I'll talk about the lighter itself. Originally, I started off with this. It's an old, I think it's early 80s Zippo leather lighter case. This thing is nice. It's thick. It's got good button. It snaps well, stays shut well. Now I can't get it. The only problem that I ran into with this is the clip. And what I noticed is that when I was wearing it, sometimes when I'd sit down, I would lose it. It'd drop off, and that just wasn't conducive to what I wanted. So then I figured, well, I really liked that Zippo. This one's actually made in the US too. And I figured I really liked that one, and I would get just the same style but with a solid loop. So I went on Amazon. On Amazon I found the Zippo that they offer now, and I got this one in brown for me, and then I got the other one, another one in black for my son. To be honest with you, these things are garbage. The leather's not as thick. You know they're made in China or somewhere like that. This snap on the front is pretty good. I didn't have any problems with it. Where I really ran into issue with it on both of them is the back snap, and it doesn't hold for anything. Every time I sit down, it would come undone. It was really troublesome. My son had the same problem with his black one, and so I was really disappointed in the Zippo style. So I went online, did a little more research, looked and looked and looked, and I found this one, and I believe it's by a company called Colorberry. It's a little bit better quality than the Zippo, or the newer Zippo, but not as good as the old one. The thing I like is that this is not actually a button. It's solid. This one sits up, rides close, doesn't get snagged on things. It's got the finger depression, and then the snap is really good on this one as well. It holds really nice. I was very happy with this one, and I'll put links to all of these down below. This one wasn't very expensive. I got the 2-pack of a brown and a black for like $19 and some change, so it was a pretty good deal. Very happy with this one. Like I said, not as good as the original Zippo, but pretty comparable. So I would highly recommend the Colorberry leather lighter case. And that's going to kind of lead us into our second discussion of what I want to talk about. Everybody knows the standard Zippo. It's got the soft flame. You got to wash these things. You got to fill them up on a weekly basis. Make sure that you don't run out of fuel. And while I like this, and it's proven for a lighter, I didn't like the fact that I had to kind of, be really diligent about, filling it up and making sure that it was full, because I'm just not good at it. And, I didn't want to be out there and need my lighter and it not work. So I picked up this. It's an insert. And I think this one is it's made by Z Plus. It's a dual torch, so it has 2 dual torch flames. I was trying to get it to work to show you guys, but that's why I went away from this one, is because I was doing some stuff with some paracord, and it all of a sudden just stopped working. So I don't know if I got something in there that gummed it up or what, but it worked okay. You could definitely weld with it if you wanted to, and it uses a different type of fuel than your standard Zippo. Your standard Zippo uses just like your lighter fluid. Sorry, try not to get the reflection on there. You fill up the cotton, and this one uses the aerosol style. I don't have the Zippo one. I have this Ronson. Works pretty good, and all you do is just fill the bottom, and it doesn't run out. Well, it'll run out if you use it, but it doesn't evaporate when you're not using it through the bottom. So I really liked this one, but like I said, I ran into the problem that after a little bit of use, it stopped working. And I mean, this is full right now, and you can see it doesn't work. So I was on Amazon again, and that's starting to become a theme, and I came across these, and they're made by a company called, I'm going to say Yusud. It's Yusud, and they call them a jet torch. And so I was looking for another jet torch, and I saw these. They came in a 2-pack. These are actually, I don't know what this material is, but it's a metallic material. They're pretty well built, and it was like 2 of them for $17.99 or something like that. So I got one for me, one for my son, and it uses the same aerosol style as the Z torch. You can adjust the flame on this one, and I thought, it's just a single torch flame, but that's cool. That's all I needed. I like that torch when it's windy and stuff, or when you're trying to get a little wetter material started. But what I didn't realize when I bought it is that it also has the soft flame feature. And then you just depress the button and you go to your torch. So I thought this was pretty cool, and they fit really nicely into the Zippo case, which is what they're designed for. It's got a good solid fit. I haven't had any problems with this one so far. I've been using it for a while, but I really liked it, and it fits right in here. Zap it up. So if you're looking to, carry a lighter, which I think most of us should, I would definitely look into those. I'll put links and everything to them so that you guys can see them. But I mean, I think for the 2 lighters and the 2 pouches, leather pouches, they come out to like around $35 or something. And they also sell them in the single option. But on that Yasuda, or however you say it, I really like the function of having the soft flame, but also the torch flame. So, guys, I really appreciate you guys watching the video. We appreciate your likes, your support, your comments. We like interacting with you guys. And don't forget to follow us on all the social media platforms and at GoneHomeWoodsman.com. All right, until next time, taxation is theft.